Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be discussing MCQs on Chhattisgarh Excise Act. Let's move forward with the question number first. How many sections are there in this act? Option A 84, option B 72, C 69, D 79. The correct answer to question number 1 is 69. That is option C. Question number 2. How many chapters are there in this act? Option A 7, option B 7A, option C 8A and option D is 9. The correct answer to question number 2 is option D, that is 9. Question number 3. How many schedules are there in this act? Option A 1, B 3, C 2 and D 4. The correct answer to question number 3 is option C, that is there are 2 schedules in this act. Question number 4. Chhattisgarh Excise Act extend to option A whole of India, option B whole of India except in tribal area, option C whole of Chhattisgarh and option D is none of the above. The correct answer to question number 4 is option C, that is whole of the Chhattisgarh. Question number 5. Which of the following section of the Excise Act deals with definitions? Option A section 1, B section 2, C section 3 and D section 4. The correct answer to question number 5 is option 2, that is section 2 deals with the definition clause. Question number 6. Term beer is defined in section option A 2A, option B 2.1, option C 2.2 and option D is 2.3. The correct answer to question number 6 is option A, that is 2.1A. Question number 7. In addition to the fermented liquors made from the malt, beer also includes option A ale, option B stout, option C porter and option D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 7 is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 8. Bottle is defined under section option A 2.1, option B 2, option C 2.2 and option D is 2.3. The correct answer to question number 8 is option C, that is 2.2. Under section 2.2, bottle means transfer of liquor from a cask or other vessel to a option A bottle for the purpose of sale, option B jar for the purpose of sale, option C other similar receptacle for the purpose of sale and option D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 9 is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 10. Chief Revenue Authority is defined under section option A 2 clause 2, option B section 2 clause 3, C 2 clause 4 and option D is 2 clause 5. So the correct answer to question number 10 is option B, that is section 2 clause 3. Question number 11th. Which of the following section of the Excise Act deal with common drinking house? Option A section 2 clause 2, option B section 2 clause 3, option C is section 2 clause 4 and option D is section 2 clause 5. The correct answer to question number 11th is option C, that is section 2 clause 4. Question number 12th. Denatured means option A rendered fit for human consumption in such a manner as may be prescribed by the state government in this behalf. Option B rendered unfit for human consumption in such a manner as may be prescribed by the central government in this behalf. Option C rendered fit for human consumption in such a manner as may be prescribed by appropriate government in this behalf. And option D is rendered unfit for human consumption in such a manner as may be prescribed by the state government in this behalf. So the correct answer to question number 12, denatured means rendered unfit for human consumption in such manner as may be prescribed by the state government in this behalf. Question number 13. Denatured is defined under which section? Option A section 2 clause 2, option B 2 clause 4, option C 2 clause 5 and option D is 2 clause 7. The correct answer to question number 13 is option C, that is section 2 clause 5. Question number 14. Excise duty and countervailing duty means option A any such excise duty or countervailing duty as the case may be as is mentioned in entry 51 of list 1 in the 7th schedule of the Constitution. Option B any such excise duty or countervailing duty as the case may be as is mentioned in entry 51 of list 2 in the 7th schedule of the Constitution. Option C any such excise duty or countervailing duty as to the case may be is mentioned in entry 31 of the list 3 in 7th schedule to the Constitution? Option B, none of the above. So the correct answer to question number 14 is any such excise duty or countervailing duty as the case may be is mentioned in entry 51 of list 2 in the 7th schedule of the Constitution. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 15. Under section 26, which of the following includes in the excisable article? Option A, any alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Option B, any intoxicating drug. Option C, opium and poppy as defined under section 2 of NDPS Act. And option D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 15 is excisable article include option D, that is all of the above. Question number 16. Intoxicant means option A, liquor, option B, intoxicating drug, option C, both A and B, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer to question number 16 is intoxicant means both A and B, both liquor and intoxicating drug. Question number 17. Section 2 clause 12 of Excise Act 1915 defines option A, excise officer, option B, intoxicant, option C, intoxicating drug, and option D is liquor. The correct answer to question number 17 is option C, that is intoxicating drug. Question number 18. Liquor is defined under which of the following sections? Option A, 2 clause 10, option B, 2 clause 12, option C, 2 clause 13, and option D is 2 clause 15. So the correct answer to question number 18 is option C, that is section 2 clause 13. Question number 19. Intoxicating drug does not include option A, bhang, option B, sindhi, option C, smahua, and option D is ganja. So the correct answer to question number 19 is option C, mahua. Mahua is not included in intoxicating drink. Question number 20. Manufacture includes a process by which any intoxicant is produced or prepared. Such process may be option A, natural or artificial process, option B, rectification, option C, blinding of coloring of liquor, and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer to question number 20 is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 21. Section 2 clause 16 of Excise Act defines option A, place, option B, sale, option C, tari, and option D is transport. The correct answer to question number 21 is option B, that is sale. Question number 22. For the purpose of this act, spirit means any liquor containing alcohol obtained by option A, evaporation, option B, fermentation, option C, distillation, and option D is condensation. The correct answer to question number 22 is option C, that is distillation. Question number 23. Under Chhattisgarh Excise Act, power to declare a drink as county liquor and foreign liquor, country liquor and foreign liquor is vested in option A, state government, B, central government, C, excise government, and D is collector. So correct answer to question number 23 is option A, that is state government. It's a misprint in option B. It's written control government, rather it will be a central government. Question number 24. Which of the following category of liquors may be declared by state government under section 3? Option A, country, option B, foreign, option C, heritage, and option D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 24 is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 25. Which of the following section of Excise Act define the term wholesale? Option A, section 5, option B, section 6, option C, section 7, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer to this question is section 5, that is option A. Question number 26. Under this act, who is empowered to declare certain quantity as retail and wholesale sale? Option A, governor, B, central government, C, excise minister, and option D is state government. The correct answer to question number 26 is option D, that is state government. Question number 27. As per section 6 of the act, the provisions of which of the following acts shall not be saved by the concerned section? Option A, the Sea Customs Act 1878, Option B, the Indian Tariff Act 1894. Option C is Cantonment Act 1910. And option D is the NDPS Act 1985. The correct answer to question 27 is option D, that is NDPS Act 1985. Question number 28. Which of the following sections of Chapter 2 of the Act deals with establishment and control? Option A, 5 to 8. Option B is Chapter 4 to 7A. Option D is Chapter 4 to 8. And option D, which is not mentioned, is Chapter 7 to 7A. So the correct answer to question number 28 will be option D, that is from Chapter 7 to 7A. Question number 29. Section 7A of the MP Excise Act 1915 deals with, it can be referred with Chhattisgarh Excise Act because it's been common for both. So option A is establishment and power thereof. Option B is saving of enactment. Option C is establishment of flying squads. And option D is none of the above. The correct answer to question number 29 is option A, that is establishment and power thereof. Question number 30. Which of the following is not the function of the Excise Commissioner? Option A, to superintend the administration of Excise Department. Option B, to collect the excise revenue. Option C, to prescribe the permitted limit for the import or export. Option D is to perform functions as stated by the state government. The correct answer to question number 30 is to prescribe the permitted limit for the import or export. Question number 31. Chapter 3 of the MP Excise Act 1915 deal with. It can be replaced with Chhattisgarh. So Chapter 3 of Chhattisgarh Excise Act 1915 deals with option A, import, B, export, C, transport, and D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 31 is option D, all of the above. Question number 32. Chapter 3 of the Excise Act 1915 deals with import, export, and transport, which extends from sections option A, 7 to 12, B, 8 to 12, C, 7 to 7A, and D, 8 to 13. So the correct answer to question number 32 is 8 to 12. Question number 33. Which section 8 of this act deals with which of the following subject matter? Option A, restriction on import, export, or transport. Option B, power to prohibit import, export, or transport. Option C, a requirement of pass for import, export, or requirement. And option D is passes for import, export, or transport. The correct answer to question number 33 is power to prohibit import, export, or transport. So section 8 basically deals with prohibition, power of prohibition. Question number 34. Restriction on import, export, or transport is provided under section. Option A, under section 8, B, section 9, C, section 7, and D is section 10. The correct answer to question number 34 is option B, that is section 9. Question number 35. The import, export, or transport may be allowed under which of the following circumstances? Option A, after payment of any duty prescribed under this act. Option B, after execution of a bond for payment of such prescribed duty. Option C, after compliance of such conditions as prescribed by state government. Option D is all of the above. Correct answer to question number 35 is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 36. Requirement of pass for import, export, or transport is dealt with under section. Option A, section 8. Option B, section 9. Option C, section 10, and option D is section 11. The correct answer to question number 36 is option C, that is section 10. Question number 37. Which section define passes for import, export, or transport? Option A, section 9, B, 10, C, 11, and D is 12. The correct answer to question number 37 is option C, that is section 11 define passes for import, export, or transport. Question 38. Who shall grant passes for the import, export, or transport of intoxicants? Option A, Commissioner, B, Collector, C, State Government, and option D is none of the above. The correct answer to question 38 is option B, Collector will grant passes. Question number 39. Which of the following section of this act deals with passes issued by other authorities to be deemed passes granted under Excise Act? Option A, section 16, B, section 11, C, section 12, and D is none of the above. The correct answer to question 39 is section 12, that is option C. Question number 40. Who may be general or special order? Who may by general or special order direct that a pass granted by authority in India shall be deemed to be a pass for any purpose under Excise Act? Option A, central government. Option B, state government. Option C, collector. And option D is excise commissioner. The correct answer to question number 40 is option D, that is excise commissioner. Question number 41. Which of the following chapter in Excise Act deals with manufacture, possession and sale? Option A is chapter 1, B chapter 2, C chapter 3 and D is chapter 4. The correct answer to question 41 is chapter 4 deals with manufacture, possession and sale. Question number 42. The provision regarding requirement of license for the purpose of manufacture etc. of intoxicant is given in option A, section 10, B, section 12, C, section 14 and D is none of the above. The correct answer to question 42 is option D, none of the above. Question number 43. Within the ambit of section 13, which of the following activities are prohibited unless the person has a license? Option A, manufacturing or collection of intoxicant. Option B, cultivation of hemp plant. Option C, bottling of the liquor for the sale. And option D is all of the above. Correct answer to question number 43 is all of the above. Question number 44. Excise Commissioner may, option A, discontinue any distillery. B, establish a warehouse. C, discontinue any warehouse. And option D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 44 is all of the above. That is, Excise Commissioner may do all these three things. Question number 45. No intoxicant shall be removed from any distillery, brewery, warehouse or other place of storage established or licensed under this act unless the duty, if any, payable and a sanction has been obtained from which of the following? Option A, state government. B, excise commissioner. C, collector. And D is none of the above. The correct answer to question number 45 is option A, state government. Question number 46. Which of the following section of this act prescribe a limit of quantity for the possession of any intoxicant? Option A is section 14, B is section 15, C is section 16 and option D is all of the above. The correct answer to question number 46 is section 16. That is option C. Now question number 47 deals with under section 16, the state government may by notification prescribe a limit of quantity for the possession of any intoxicant. Which of the following statement is true? Option A, the limit prescribed must be same for all articles. Option B, different limit may be prescribed for different articles. Option C, different limit may be prescribed for same articles also. And option D is none of the above. The correct answer to question number 47 is different limit may be prescribed for same articles also. That is option C. Question number 48. A person having the right to 10 drawn from any tree may sell such 10 without a license to a person licensed to manufacture or sell 10 under the Excise Act. Option A, yes, it's correct. B, no. C, no, unless such permission is taken from the Excise Commissioner. Option D is all of the above. So the correct answer to question number 48 is yes, it's possible. Question number 49. Whether the provision of section 17 are applicable on foreign liquor? Option A, yes, it's applicable. B, no, it's not applicable. C, no, whether liquor lawfully procured by any person for his private purpose and sold by him upon his quitting a station. And option D, yes, if the quantity exceeds the prescribed limit. So the correct answer to question number 49 is option C, that is no, where the liquor lawfully procured by any person for his private purpose and sold by him or upon his quitting a station. Question number 50. Which of the following section provides for the power to grant lease of right to manufacture etc.? Option A, 15, option B, section 16, C, 17 and option D is section 18. So the correct answer to question number 50 is option D, that is section 15. Moving forward to next question. Question number 51. Who is empowered to grant lease of right to manufacture? Option A, collector. B, excise commissioner. C, state government. And option D is either A, B or C. The correct answer to question number 51 is option C, that is state government. Question number 52. Which of the following rights may be granted under section 18 by the way of lease? Option A, manufacturing or supplying by wholesale. Option B, selling by wholesale or by retail. Option C, manufacturing or supplying by wholesale. And option D is either A, B or C. So the correct answer to question number 52 is either A, B or C, that is option D. Question number 53. The provision regarding the manufacture and sale of liquor in military cantonment is given under section option A 19, B 20, C 21, D is 22. The correct answer to question 53 is option B, that is section 20. 54. License for the purpose of manufacture or sale of liquor in cantonment area may be granted by A, state government, B, central government, C, commanding officer, and D is excise commissioner. The correct answer to question 54 is central government may, for the purpose of manufacture or sale of liquor in cantonment area, is granted, the license is granted by the central government. Question number 55. Before granting a license for the purpose of manufacture or sale of liquor in the cantonment area, the central government shall consult with A, state government, B, collector, C, the commanding officer, and D is no prior consultation is required. The correct answer to question number 55 is option C, the commanding officer. Question number 56. Which of the following section provides for the prohibition on sale of liquor to persons of certain age? Option A 20, option B is section 22, C is section 21, and D is section 23. The correct answer to question number 56 is option D, that is section 23. Question number 57. Section 22 prohibits a person who is licensed to sell intoxicants for consumption on his premises shall from employing which of the following persons? Option A, women. Option B, a man above the age of 65 years. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer to this question is all of the above, except C.